fun.
Mama, that's a good question by Arts Terra one.
All right, so we've already been through the debate of whether tomatoes are fruits or vegetables. Like that wasn't enough. Our producer has come up with a game of riddles to see if we could figure out these fruits and vegetables. So the producer don't have anything to do.
I think we don't have nothing to do either.
All right, go ahead, Mr.
All right,
what we must figure out whether them is fruit or vegetable? What is it? I'm a fruit that grows on a tree. My name rhymes with chair, and you might need to stand on a chair or climb a ladder to pick me. What am I?
That was too easy.
No, but you why that can't work now? Because while me I read the daily answer.
Then from you reach chair, you know, should I stop reading? What else rhyme with pear? Think about it.
First thing is avocado name. I don't avocado don't.
No, in Jamaica. You go street go tell them about your avocado in Jamaica and see what happens.
I'm not reading nothing more than because that's not fair. We do
fear, cheer, fear. We're and tear. Oh dear.
Yes, so like little boy in my school. All right, come again. The next one. Come now, man. I come in different colors like red and green. Before I became raisins, there was a bunch of these. What am I?
Grapes.
You see me, I read and...
But I stopped and allowed you to finish reading, never. I did. From you said, then what else turn raisin? What else become raisins? All right, let me read the next one.
No, I'm going to read it. I'm a tropical fruit that is soft and bright orange and inside it tastes very sweet. My name rhymes with Maya. What am I?
Papaya.
Okay then.
I feel like some grade one riddle them, I know, but let's go.
I'm a crunch vegetable with a lot of vitamin C and fiber. Some kids think I look like a little green tree. What am I?
Some kids think like broccoli?
Long time, girl, me never see you. I'm a fruit that is very spiky on the outside and yellow, soft and juicy on the inside. What am I?
Spiky on the outside. I don't know what spiky on the outside. Spiky? Jackfruit?
Pineapple.
Yeah, pineapple for sure.
So, I know these things. I'm a beautiful red color with a green top and tastes great in smoothies.
Strawberry.
I like a fuzzy little shaped ball on the outside and you can eat my green inside with a spoon. What am I? Kiwi? What do I?
Yeah, that sounds like it, you know. You see the foreign fruits, them you know, that's the problem. Avocado, kiwi.
I'm a hard fruit that comes in green, red, and yellow. I have a hard pit inside of me. What am I?
In greed?
Hard
red
fruit
and yellow?
that comes in greed or green. Green, red, and yellow.
It's either a plum or a mango.
Apple.
And a plum or mango?
No, apple, obviously.
Green, red, and yellow. I have a hard pit inside of me. I have no idea.
Plum.
Then me not say plum or mango.
Long time she said plum.
Look how long me say plum.
She said, well, you said plum or mango, so.
Yeah, but me say plum.
What, you never get it right, because you said plum or mango.
Me say it's either plum or mango.
Yeah, man, you have green plum.
We have different type of plum, you know.
Yeah, man. You have coolie plum.
Coolie plum.
Yeah, man.
You have different type of plum.
I'm tough on the outside, soft on the inside. I have three of the same letter in my name, coconut.
Three of the same letter in a coconut, never? Which the, I don't know what that means.
Wait, don't tell me. I'm tough on the outside, soft on the inside. I have three of the same letter. No. But banana not tough on the outside.
It one me know have three letters in the name.
But banana don't tough on the outside.
Well, it one me know have three of the same letters.
I come in long, crunchy pieces and I taste good with peanut butter. A lot of fiber and I'm green. What am I?
Tastes good with peanut butter. I don't know what that. I have a lot of fiber and I'm green. What am I?
What?
Stale bread?
Oh, Lanja does tell me. Lanja says celery.
Hold on. Let me go back up for a minute. Somebody eats celery with peanut butter? Who do that? I think my answer is more plausible.
What is your answer?
stale bread, fiber, and it's green.
That's why I don't like, you know, when she get it right, I say, well done. When I get it wrong, I say, foolish like that.
No, never. Have you ever celery and peanut butter? That's disgusting.
Yes. What's the next one?
She don't have no more. She run out. I really don't know.
I'm in a white shirt and a burgundy pants with the black shoes. Oh my.
Neffy. Neffy.
Long time, girl, me never see you.
Come make me hold your hand.
Okay. But a few folks from
Feel
Nexus.
that junk rock.
Okay then. Can't bother say that again.
Sit down on tree top.
Let me hold your hand. Sir, you don't think we could have worked?